about the salient features of his new book, Nano Dielectric Resonator Antenna for 5G Applications. Professor
Thank you,
Rajguru
Siddhi.
Yadwanshi, sir, please. Yeah.
Thank you, Siddhi, for inviting me. उपस्थित विशिष्ट एवं अति विशिष्ट सभी व्यक्तियों को मेरा अभिनंदन एवं सादर प्रणाम. ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर जेपी सैनी सर, former member secretary AICT Professor AP Mittal sir, Professor Ashok Kulwa from Adelaide University, Australia, and all my colleagues and dear friends. I extend my warm welcome and gratitude to gracious presence of all the members present on this occasion. And this occasion was selected by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, being a Navratra days. So thank you very much, sir, for advising us to have this auspicious days for having our book ceremony on this time. Thank you very much, sir, again. This is my fourth book. So the book for which we have assembled today, which will be uncovered by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. So this book is written on Nano DRA. The previous book was written on DRA. DRA is unconventional antenna. So far we have seen only metallic antennas in our environment. But we have taken unconventional task. We have made ceramic antennas in place of metallic antennas. And these ceramic antennas has been developed not only theoretical but practically. So if you see my previous book, Rectangular Dielectric Resonator Antenna, which is published in Springer, has only rectangular geometry, and it is made up of ceramics. So there are few things which we can develop in our lab, but there are few things which we are not having here. So we take Ghaziabad help to carry out testing, because an anechoic chamber is costing somewhere more like 40 crores to 80 crores. But as far as VNA testing is concerned, these testing facilities we have developed in our own college. We have 40 gigahertz VNA in our lab. So, and hardware developing machine is also there available in our microwave lab. So as far as hardware is concerned, we are convergent. Now we have here Professor Alok Kushwaha from Australia University. So we are making a tie-up with him that for terahertz frequency, where the device size becomes micron. So my next book is already accepted in IET, but they want that the hardware should be developed. For this, we approached Professor Alok Kushwaha. He will be able to help us to develop those prototypes, and we will collaborate with him, because in India, the nanotechnology or quantum antennas, we are not able to develop as far as hardware is concerned. So thank you, Alok, for accepting our proposal. Alok is there with us.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. So in that, we have targeted our retinal. The retinas has cones and rods which are of 6 micron or 10 micron. So a theoretical part, we myself and Professor, my guru Harish Parthasarthi, we have written theoretical concept, and we have simulated all the parameters required for that. So that book we will be publishing in 2001. This book, as far as Nano DRA is concerned, this book is exclusively useful for 5G communication, because in India we are coming up with 5G technology. We are switching from 4G to 5G. So this book is not only helpful to BTech students, MTech students, and PhD students, but in this book, we have developed prototype, and all prototypes have been placed at the back of the book as case studies. So these case studies can be utilized by companies for its commercialization. And in 14 chapters, we have started from scratch so that it can be well understood by BTech students and MTech students. And then slowly in last 14th chapter, we have switched over to nanotechnology. where the device has becomes miniaturized. So in the last chapter, we have only given introduction to quantum antennas or to optical antennas or to photonic antennas. But in new book, which is yet to come, to be published by IIT London, there we have only focused about optical antennas, and that optical antennas will help to develop optical sensors, and those sensors can be utilized in IoT. That is my vision. And one more thing I like to say, that Ratan Tata has already said that if you want to achieve larger objective, you have to work in team. Individual cannot get any success if there is no team. So I try to work always in team, not as an individual. With this, I'd like to conclude my views, and I'll again thank all the participants who have spared their valuable time to attend this digital event. I'm really thankful to all the participants, and specifically Professor Alok Mittal, Professor Alok Kushwaha, and VC sir for giving their valuable time to have this event today. Thank you very much, sir.